Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to my channel V4Concept Learning. Today we are going to start our new parts of speech lesson, pronouns. Here you can see on your screen pronouns. So nouns are there, you did before, but before that nouns word you can read pronoun. So what is this pronouns? Let's start our new lesson. Come and join me. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. As you all know, noun is a name of a place, person, thing, or an animal. So here what they said, that pronoun is a word used in place of noun. So it shows that we are going to replace noun and use there a pronoun word. So first check the example. Noun, Amal is a school girl. Here Amal is a noun. So in a sentence we used her name. Amal is a school girl. Now how we will make a pronoun? We will remove Amal's name. She is a school girl. Now she is a pronoun and she is using for a singular noun. We will replace a singular noun with singular pronoun she. She is a school girl. Second example, noun, Ahmad is a school boy. Now he is a boy. So what we will do in place of pronoun? We use here remove Ahmad and we add there he is a school boy. She pronoun is using for a girl and he for boy pronoun. He and she is a pronoun here, and Amal and Ahmad, a name of a boy and a girl, is a noun here. Next example, Mrs. Turnbull teaches English. We have named her Turnbull. Her name is Turnbull. We remove her name. She is a noun. We remove her name and in place of her name we used pronoun she teaches English. So now Turnbull, remove the name of Turnbull and now we are using she in place of her name. So she is a pronoun that takes the place of noun Mrs. Turnbull. क्लियर टू यू माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स? आ गया समझ में? देखें, जैसे कि हम नाम रखते हैं, नाम के साथ बुलाते हैं, फिर हमको नाम को हटा देना है और उसकी जगह यूज़ करना है प्रोनाउन ही, शी. दे ऑल आर सिंगुलर प्रोनाउन. ये देखिए, ये सारे प्रोनाउंस हैं. आई सिंगुलर यूज़ होता है, मी सिंगुलर, माई सिंगुलर, माइन सिंगुलर, यू सिंगुलर. So all these are the pronouns we are using as a personal pronouns. I, me, my, mine, you, your, yours, he, him, his, she, her, hers, it, its, they, them, their, theirs, we, us, our, ours. So all these are the personal pronouns. Now this is the example for a personal pronoun where we use personal pronouns. Personal pronouns refer to specific person or things. हम किसी particular, किसी specific, किसी fix के लिए बुलाते हैं, वहाँ पे हम use करते हैं personal pronouns. Douglas reads story. He likes fairy tales. We are talking about here a man named Douglas and we are using second sentence with pronoun. The word he is a personal pronoun that refers to Douglas' name, the name of a person. So here is a personal pronoun. Recall again what are pronouns. Pronouns I, he, we, us, she. So here you can see 5 pronouns are given there. You can see here the pronouns. We are using pronouns in place of nouns. I singular, He singular. She singular. We plural. We are using we in place of nouns as a plural. Us plural. So all these are the pronouns. तो बच्चों आज हम सिर्फ पहले पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस करेंगे. मैं एक एक करके क्लास में लूँगी ताकि ज़्यादा आपके ऊपर बर्डन ना पड़े. तो आज हम सिर्फ करेंगे पर्सनल प्रोनाउन. तो मैंने आपको जैसे अभी बताया कि आई सिंगुलर की जगह यूज़ होगा, यू सिंगुलर सेकंड पर्सन, ही शी इट, ये सब सिंगुलर प्रोनाउन हैं. इनका प्लूरल फॉर्म क्या यूज़ करेंगे हम? वी यू दे. ये हम प्लूरल की जगह यूज़ करेंगे. एक से ज़्यादा लोग होंगे तो वहाँ पे हम नाउन्स को हटाकर ये पर्सनल प्रोनाउन प्लूरल यूज़ करेंगे. सो लेट मी रिकॉल अगेन. फर्स्ट पर्सन सिंगुलर आई एंड प्लूरल विल बी वी. सेकेंड पर्सन यू, प्लूरल ऑल्सो यू. थर्ड पर्सन ही शी इट and the plural will be they. So these all are the personal pronoun. We are going to learn in the next slide about more examples for these pronouns. Now do the more examples for a singular noun. She is my best friend. She pronoun. जो भी रेड से लिखा हुआ है वो सब बच्चों प्रोनाउन है. It is my dog singular. Does he know the answer? He boy. It we use for a dog. She we used for a girl. You and I will meet later. You and I singular pronoun we used in this sentence. बच्चों अभी मैंने आपको सिंगुलर और प्लूरल प्रोनाउन बताया था जिसमें आई यू ही शी इट फॉर सिंगुलर एंड वी यू दे प्लूरल. Then me, you, him, her, it singular pronoun, us, you, them. But here you can see one more thing about subject pronouns and object pronouns. What are they? Subject pronouns and object pronoun. Let's go for the next slide to recall what all these are. Subject pronoun is used as the subject of a sentence. सब्जेक्ट मीन्स आप जिसके बारे में आप बात कर रहे हैं, जिसके बारे में आप बात कर रहे हैं. हेयर आप भी सेंटेंस में देखें, शी इज़ माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड. सो यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ गर्ल दैट शी इज़ योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड. शी इज़ माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड. शी इज़ अ सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन. इट इज़ माई डॉग. यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ dog. How is dog? It is my dog. Does he know the answer? You are talking about a boy. Does he know the answer? This is the subject in a sentence. You and I will meet later. So you and I is a subject you are talking about. So talking about a person or an animal or a place, that is called subject pronoun. You are talking about a main subject, main person, place or thing, that is called subject pronoun. Next one is object pronouns. What all are object pronouns? An object pronoun is used as the direct, indirect object or the object of a preposition. Don't be confused here. We are talking about here object. See the pronoun with the red color, they all came at the back of the sentence. We are talking about here an object. Give the book to me. You are talking about a book, and to whom you will give the book? To me. So me is here a pronoun. The teacher gave. Here what is the subject? Teacher. What she gave? Her a reprimand. So here she gave her. Her is a pronoun. So teacher is a subject and her object pronoun we used here. I will tell you a story. I here subject and what is object? You. A story, telling a story. Suzanne read it to them. Suzanne is a subject and talking about a story reading. So Suzanne read it to them. It and them is a pronoun. Here object pronoun. Find the right answer from the option given below. Choose the correct pronoun here. Skateboards are fun, but dash can be dangerous. Here you have to find the subject pronoun or a object pronoun will come here. Skateboards we are talking about, this is a subject here. So what will be the object pronoun? But what will come here? But they can be dangerous. Here what will come? They, because here the skateboards subject is plural, so here we use they in the fill in the blanks. Skateboards are fun, but they can be dangerous. Next example, choose the correct pronoun. Speed bumps, keep mind bumps, speed bumps help to slow down cars. आपको मालूम है ना स्पीड बम्प्स क्या होते हैं बच्चों? रोड पर जो थोड़े से उसको एक थोड़ा सा ऊंचा करके बनाते हैं रोड पे, जो स्पीड को कम करते हैं. तो स्पीड बम्प्स हेल्प टू स्लो डाउन कार्स. Dash are found in many parking lots. So here subject is there, speed bumps. We are talking about speed bumps. So what will be the pronoun, object pronoun here comes? They are found in many parking lots. Clear this much? So today only we will discuss this much, students, about the pronouns. What are pronouns? Let's recall again. Pronouns we can remove, हम उन्हें हटा देते हैं nouns को और उनकी जगह pronoun use करते हैं. He, she, I, we, us, they, them, theirs, all these are pronouns. So only this much today in the lesson, because otherwise you will become confused about the pronouns. So we will go one by one, step by step, the pronouns. So let us revise all this and give me a comment, like and share. Thank you for watching my channel V4Concept Learning. Hope you understand the lesson this much. Tomorrow I will come with a new video. Half of this lessons about the pronouns, more about pronouns. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. So soon I will be live to explain the lesson once again. Have a nice day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.